In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename columns in Jotform tables. Whether you're organizing data for a project or just keeping things tidy, renaming columns is a simple yet powerful tool that can enhance your workflow and keep everything clear and accessible. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to jotform.com. If you haven't already, sign in using your credentials. This is your stepping stone into the world of organized data and helps ensure that all your forms and tables are ready for the modifications ahead. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to navigate to My Forms. This is where the magic happens. As all your stored forms and data entries are housed here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space, as it's essential for effective data management. The next step is to select the form table you want to customize. Browsing through your forms, decide which table requires a little touch of personalization, perhaps for easier tracking or streamlined communication with your team. By choosing the right form, you're already halfway through making your data more intuitive. Now direct your attention to the columns, locate the specific column you wish to rename. This decision might be based on a particular type of data you frequently review, or simply a need to make the column label more descriptive. Once you've pinpointed the column, it's time for the actual renaming process. All set? Great! Here's what you'll do. Double click on the column name you want to change. This action will allow you to start typing the new name instantly. Consider the information stored in this column and choose a name that accurately represents the data or its purpose. Be clear and concise, as this will aid not only you but anyone else who might be viewing or working with the table. After typing the desired name, Jotform takes care of the rest. Simply click on a different area of the screen and voila! Jotform automatically saves your edit. It's seamless and saves you the hassle of dealing with additional save buttons or menus. This effortless approach ensures that your changes are safe and instantly reflected across your table. And there you have it. You've learned how to rename columns in Jotform tables like a pro. It's a quick process, but it goes a long way in making your data organized and user-friendly. Renaming columns might seem like a minor task, but it's impactful, especially when managing multiple datasets or collaborating with others. So go ahead and give your Jotform tables the structure and clarity they deserve. Happy organizing!